So in this video I'm just going to run through the entire ordering process on the Pixelpaint website. In this example I'll be using canvases, but the same principles apply for all. So best thing to do when you get here is to sign in or sign up. So I'm going to put a test account in here. So I've skipped ahead and filled those in. Register. And then let's start ordering. So let's click Create Canvas. You choose Single Image. I'm just going to choose an A4 for this, Landscape. You can also choose Portrait, Square, or Panorama. If you're using a voucher, it's worthwhile making sure that you choose the right size for the voucher that you have. So let's go A4. Here, I can either drag and drop photos, or I can select specific photos. So I'm going to select some. I'm going to choose this car. That's going to upload into my gallery. Now what I need to do is just drag that into this editing area. Now you can see if I click, and then I can click on this circle here to allow me to move the canvas around, or sorry, the photo around on the canvas. And then if I click this fit button, it'll zoom it out to its maximum level so that I can be sure that I've got the entire image on the canvas. So down here you've got your different editing options. So this will, as I said, fit. You can zoom in. Again, you can move around. You can zoom out. I'm just going to fit again. You can rotate. Don't need to do it for this image. Or you can flip it. So you can see the number plate change there. You can also choose effects. So these are a little bit like Instagram effects. You can scroll through. Let's choose something like this. And then I can hit clean if I want to clear those. And there should also be black and white and sepia in here as well. So next let's talk about the wrap options. So let's say I want to choose mirror. So you can see this is mirrored part of the canvas down the side. So that's your wrap. That's the deep part in the canvas. Probably not great for this image because you can see it's mirrored the roof onto the top. So maybe for this one I would choose natural wrap. Again, I'd do a fit. And then you can see here that might be a little bit better. Maybe not 100% for this image, but I'll let you make a judgment here based on the wrap options that you've got. You can also choose a solid color, so we can choose black. And you can click this select color button to choose white or any other option that, or any other color that you can think of here. For pixel extend, it's probably not great for this image because it takes 1 pixel from the very edge of the canvas and stretches it down. So let's choose another image that this might work quite well for. I know this one here might work quite well for. And you can see here that it's stretching the colors down the side. So that's quite a good option. For here, maybe mirror as well could work well. But I think for this one, and perhaps also for something like this one here, see that continues the color if I use pixel extend. It's completely yellow. Alright, so next you can see a preview of the sort of size on the wall. Keep going. Oh, photos are still uploading, so we just need to wait for those to upload. So now we come to the cart. So here we can see the A4 size, pixel extend, and you can see the total price is $42. Now if you have purchased a voucher somewhere else, you can put that in here. And you'll notice that this will then go to 0. So don't worry if this doesn't match the price that you paid, but it will zero out if you've purchased it somewhere else. Next, proceed to checkout. And then here I'm just going to put in my first address. So I've skipped ahead and filled this in, and the important thing to know here is the postal code. So make sure that you've got the right postal code, and once that's in there you can scroll down and choose your suburb. So I know it's in Mount Maunganui. If this doesn't work for any reason, just make sure that your postal code is correct. I'm going to call this Pixelpaint, and then click Save. Okay, so now I've got my delivery address. The billing address is defaulted to the same. If you do need to change that for whatever reason, you can do. And then in this field here, typically don't really need to put anything in here unless you need to, for us or the courier to put it somewhere like in a porch or in a carport. That's a good place to put this, but otherwise you're better off just sending us an email. Then let's click Proceed to Checkout. You'll see here that Fastway is free. Let's tick this box, read the terms of service if you're interested. Again, proceed to checkout. And then this is it. Here's your order. So that's how you would use a voucher code. If you don't have a voucher code and you're just purchasing, there's one more step in here just prior to this where you need to do your payment. But other than that, everything's exactly the same. Alright, good luck.